we need more godly men who aren't afraid to call sin, sin. 'Cause the world is desperately looking for them. Lord, we need more godly men. Lord, we need more husbands in love with their wives, and daddies to cherish their kids. Grandpas and uncles who will set an example and tell them who Jesus is. May the world see our eyes in the Bible and our knees bent in prayer again. From the senior preacher to the high school teacher, Lord, we need more godly men. Lord, we need more heroes to praise the name of Christ instead of using it in vain. Men will place Jesus at the head of their homes like the families that you ordain. May the world see us as your disciples, reaching out to the world as a friend. From the factory worker to the Wall Street broker, Lord, we need more godly men. Lord, we need more godly men who'll stand on your word till the end. Men who are strong, men that won't bend. Lord, we need more godly men. Lord, we need more godly